How to get refund on Temu without returning. Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you how you will be able to get a refund on Temu without returning your product. So first of all, you can go through the refund policy of the Temu. You will get to see all the options for the refund method. You can check out the time for your Temu to refund your financial institution and also see the financial institution process time. Once you have looked into this, now you can go back and head over to your Temu app and then click on View option at the bottom of the screen. Then select the Setting option at the top right corner. Inside Setting, head over to About this app. Here you will find the option where it said Contact Us. Once again, click on Contact Us. In this page, what you need to write is I need a refund and then click on Send. They will reply you with this message. You can see here it says your current account has not yet successfully placed an order on Temu. So due to this, you won't be able to get a refund. But for you, if you have placed your order, then the product you have placed will be visible in here. You simply have to select the product that you want to get the refund. Once you have selected the product, you need to state the reason why you want to get your refund back. Once you have stated the reason, they will analyze your account and the product. Once it gets approved by them, you will get your refund back. And that's all. That's how you will be able to get a refund on Temu without returning the item. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any question or additional tips on Temu, drop a comment below. Happy shopping!